Welcome to the Better Homes and Gardens Real Estate Property Visual Tour. This is part of our complete listing marketing package for every listing. This home is currently under construction. For assistance, please visit our model home at 13601 Beobridge Avenue, open daily 10 a.m., 6 p.m. Photos and 3D tour are for demonstration purposes only and not of actual home. The Iowa floor plan, built by Classic American Homes, is a two-story home with 4 bedrooms and 2.5 baths. The living room opens up to the kitchen and dining area. Beautiful granite countertops and much more. Wonderful open floor plan. The living area opens upstairs. Energy-efficient home. Ceramic tile in living areas, kitchen, dining room, and all baths rooms. Carpet in bedrooms and stairs.